What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, and I'm going to answer another one of you guys' questions. So I like this question. Do you recommend investing in the stock market right now? So this is a nice question because, as you guys know, I love talking about the stock market. I probably don't make enough stock market videos, but I do love the stock market. I invest in the stock market, and I love talking about the stock market. So anyway, to answer the question, do I recommend investing in the stock market right now? Well, as you guys probably know, if you keep up with the stock market, all of the biggest stocks, they are rising at an alarming rate this year. Some of them are up 10, 15, 20%. To give you a few, Tesla, Microsoft, Google, Apple, they are rising. And the best thing is, they will keep rising. But now, to answer the question, do I recommend investing in it right now? Well, with the stock market, it's always a good time to invest. At the same time, it can always be the wrong time to invest. And why is that? Well, because it obviously depends on what stocks you invest in, which stocks you choose to purchase. So to help you further understand why it is a good time to invest in the stock market right now, and why it's also not a good time to invest, I'm going to break down a few of the stocks which have seen big growth over the last few months, especially this year, and also explain exactly why there are certain stocks which have not shown big growth from the big companies, but they still have a lot of potential for the future. So stick around for the end of the video so you can see which stock you should look out for in the near future. So to help you further understand exactly what I mean, let's take a dive into my laptop.
Off here by looking at Tesla. As you can see, right now it's pre-market, the market opens in 10 minutes, it's up again. The past 5 days, so the past trading week, it has been up just over 13%. Now that's a lot in a trading week, but if you look at the past month, it's incredible. Look at that rise. From trading at $420 per share all the way to $560 per share. Now the funny thing is, that's a meteoric rise, and that's a 38% return. But if you look at the past 3 months, it's even more. Look at that massive rise. But look at the past 6 months. Again, meteoric rise. It's actually ridiculous. Now, the past 3 months, if you had invested in your money in Tesla and taken it out today, you would have got a 93% return. So, to put it in simple terms, if you had invested your money in Tesla 3 months ago and taken it out today, you'd have almost got double back. Now, Microsoft is another stock that's been rising rapidly in recent times. It hasn't been as good as Tesla, but it's definitely been on the rise. If you look at the past 6 months, it was trading at just over $150 per share until now where it's trading at $154. But if we look at the past trading week, it's been obviously up and down. So this isn't doing as well as the other ones I'm going to show you, but over the past month, it's definitely done well. Let's look at Apple. Apple 2019 had their best year since 2009. Look at the meteoric rise they've had over the past month. Actually, I had shares of Apple a while back. I sold them last year. But again, Apple has been on the rise. These big companies are doing extremely well right now. So would now be a good time to invest in them? Possibly, because they could still be on the rise. But again, you never know when the market could crash. You never know when you could see a reversal. AMD. I had AMD shares. I bought them at $25 per share. Sold them at $29 per share. But if you look at the past 3 months, I know AMD has done extremely well. Selling at $39 per share to almost $43. Over the past month, they've been doing well again. Look at that. So these stocks have been on the rise overall. Obviously they go up and down, but stocks like Tesla it just feels like they've just been shooting up, 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 up. So again, is it a good time to invest in Tesla? Probably not. But people who are new to the market think, oh, it's rising, I'm going to get in there and it's going to keep rising. If you look at a big company like Boeing now, their stock price has been fluctuating more on the downside recently. So if you look here, they were selling at $374 per share 3 months ago, till now at just over $340 per share. The past month, again, it's been up and down for Boeing. And like I said, the companies that you want to invest in are the ones that have potential, that have shown signs of rising. Not companies like Tesla, which are already high, already up. You want something like Boeing where it's a big company, there's a lot of potential for reversal, a lot of potential for future profits and future gains. And I mean, if you would ask me, would you invest in Boeing right now? I personally, if I do my research and find out what they're all about, I would. But that doesn't mean you should. Doesn't mean you have to. You need to check what's best for you, what you believe in, what you understand from the company.
So with those companies like Tesla, AMD, Microsoft, people think, oh, now's a good time to get in. It's going up and up and up, and it's going to continue to go that way. I'm going to make a lot of money. I've got to get in right now. This is one of the biggest mistakes investors, especially new investors, make in the stock market. Just because the stock is rising right now at a high rate does not mean it's going to continue that way forever. This is one of the biggest mistakes because people start putting money in and they don't know that as the stock market can go like that, it can also go like that very quickly. So whenever it's going, shooting up, I never get too excited. Whenever it's, same with the opposite. So whenever it's shooting up like this, I never get too excited. Same for the opposite. Whenever it's decreasing at a rapid rate, I don't get too excited. Because the fortunes can change quickly and it depends on what you're investing in. So currently, I do recommend investing in the stock market. I do recommend buying stocks. Stocks like Tesla, AMD, Microsoft. They're just going up and up and up and up and up. So this is a good thing because you can make a lot of money. But at the same time, if you're new to the market, I hope you understand that you can also lose a lot of money. Why is that? Well, because you see, in times like this, so let's say this year, the last 3 weeks, when the stock market is continually rising, going up and up and up, people get excited. People see that there's money to be made. They don't want to miss out on the money. Fear of missing out. They go in, they're like, okay, I'm buying, a bunch of, let's say, Tesla stock. I'm going to buy 10 shares, put a few thousand in. But before they know it, they've still got the money in there, and instead of going like this, the stock market starts to go like this. Now, if you're a smart investor, you've gone in there with a plan, you know where you're taking your profit, you know what you're doing. If you're new to the market or you're just trying to make quick money, you're probably thinking, oh, it's dropped a few percentage today, it's going to go up again. That's not always the case. Now, if you understand this, about 3 days ago, Tesla saw a day where it rose in almost 8% in a singular trading day. Instead of getting caught up in the noise, try and think like an investor would think, a very good investor. Think like Warren Buffett would think. Look at stocks which have potential for the future, like Boeing. Look at stocks which you see value in long term, which can make you a lot of money long term. Nothing like, oh, I'm going to put in $1,000 a day and come out with, $15,000 in the next 6 months. It doesn't work like that. Quite frankly, if you think it works like that, you shouldn't be investing. You should be gambling. So I hope you like the breakdown. I hope you like the different kind of video. Keep commenting in that video, Monday's video. Make sure, if you want to see more stock analysis breakdowns, stock videos, let me know. Whatever it is, let me know. Tomorrow's the weekend, so we're back here for another video. The weekend is where winners are made. The weekend is where empires are built.